Hey everyone, I'm Aisha, and the topic today is about how you can lose your cravings so that you can have more control on your diet, on your food, and so that it can be much easier for you to lose weight because you are in control, because you're going to be making tough decisions on what to eat and what not to eat, and it's going to come easy for you because you have removed your cravings for junk food. So let's jump into it. Hey everyone, like I said, my name is Aisha. I'm a qualified nutrition and weight management consultant, and it's about removing your cravings. It's about losing weight in just 5 days. Yes, you heard that correctly. 5 days. If you remove your cravings, if you listen to what I'm going to tell you, and if you do everything that I've said in this video, you will achieve weight loss in just 5 days. Depending on how active you are, depending on if you have taken action or not. I'm going to break it down to you how you can remove your cravings and lose weight, like I said, in a 5 days time frame, by eating as much as you like, and when you want to eat without having to eat less food and count any calories. Yeah, so let's jump into it. There are 3 medical conditions. Like I said, I've talked about these 3 medical conditions before briefly, and now I'm back to them because they are really crucial. Yeah, so today I'm going to talk about just one. So one at a time, so that the video is not too long for you and you don't get fed up with it. Yeah, so these 3 medical conditions cause really bad craving. Yeah, crazy craving, food cravings, and they're extremely common. Maybe you have suffered from at least 1 or 2 of them, or maybe even all of them, and they each cause food cravings in their own destructive ways, and you will have no chance of sticking to a diet if you do not treat these conditions. If you do not overcome them, you will have no chance of sticking to a diet. And one of the most common causes of food craving is counting food calories. If you're into counting food calories, you will develop these cravings. So like I said before in my last video, do not count calories, because when you count calories, you're opening a can of worms. One of them is crazy cravings, and you don't want that because it's going to be difficult for you to keep to your weight loss. Yeah, it's going to be difficult if you have cravings to keep to not eating junk food. Yeah, and the 3 conditions are: 1 is candida, which I'm going to explain. I'm going to start with number 1, which is candida, and then we have number 2, which is food intolerance, and then number 3 is hypoglycemia. We'll come to them one by one, like I said, so that the video is not too long, so that you don't get fed up, so that it's short and sharp for you. Yeah, candida is a yeast which lives inside every human being. Yeah, usually in the digestive system. I've got photos for you so that it's interesting, so that you can understand where I'm coming from, so that you know what I'm talking about, so that you can feel me. That's why I put these diagrams. So it's in the digestive system area, it's also in the mouth, and it's also in the down below private part. So they live in 3 areas in our body, and it is normally kept under control. Really and truly, they don't bother you. You know, by our immune system is kept under control, and other bacteria in our body. Yeah, the problem is it gets out of control. Yeah, you know, candida do get out of control when it becomes a problem when you have a diet full of what? Alcohol, sugar, carbohydrate, processed food, which I have talked about in my past videos. Yeah, so you don't want candida, you don't want crazy food cravings, then avoid them. It's as simple as that. And if you want to do that, you really can do that. Yeah, so The other thing I want to talk to you about, that you will end up with crazy cravings for sugary food because you are eating them. Bread cakes, biscuit, as you can see in this diagram, so that you have clear picture in your head and there is no any doubt where I'm coming from or what I'm talking about. Yeah, fruit juices, vinegary or pickled fruit. Yeah, you will have crazy cravings for them, and you know, you can see them here on my screen, and as you see them, you know that they are really not good for you. They are not good for you. Yeah, so the other thing is that there is a way out. Like everything in life is how you process it and how you deal with it. Yeah, how you process it, how you deal with it is very crucial. So these three cravings, crazy cravings, conditions have a way out, and it's down to you. If you want to remove them and have an easy ride with your weight loss, all and good. On the other hand, if you want to end up yo-yo dieting, then you do nothing about them. Therefore, the first thing you must do is to stop feeding this candida. So we're talking about candida that lives in the private part, lives in the mouth, lives in the digestive system. Like I've shown you the diagram before. Yeah, so we're talking about them. We're talking about candida. Yeah, it's about three conditions, but first I'm talking about the candida. So this candida live in three areas in our body, in every human's body. And this means that no processed food. You want to get rid of it? No processed food. You have to stop eating what? You have to stop eating processed food. I've got this food. You must start eating this food that I have got here for you. You can see that you have to start eating similar food like this, something like this, meat, yeah, fish, anything with faces. Like in my last video, I've talked about faces. I've explained to you about faces. If you don't know what faces are, go to my last video, which I should be able to put a link below this video. Yeah, and you will be able to access it, or go to ashley.com. Yeah, go to ashley.com. Beginning of this video, my logo was there, ashley.com. Click on that, go to my website, and you read about my other videos. You see my other videos and you'll be able to access them. So anything with faces and vegetable, you can see yogurt, natural bio yogurt, yeah, with culture. Eggs, yeah, eggs come from something with faces. Meat, chicken, fish, yeah, dairy product, vegetable. So all of them, this will help you. This will help you overcome candida. So this video is, like I said, is short and sweet. I'm going to end here because I have got to talk to you about food intolerance. I've got to talk to you about the other condition as well, hypoglycemia, because there are three conditions which you have to treat. So I'm going to stop here, and I hope you enjoy this video. And if you do enjoy this video, please give it a thumb. Yeah, like it, share it with other people, and do what you have to do to promote it for me. Okay, then I'll talk to you soon. You take care now, and goodbye. See you later in the next video.